How to activate one-handed mode on your Google Pixel 8a. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a system. Here you can see gestures. Tap on a gestures. Now here you can see one-handed mode option. Tap on it. By default, toggle off the one-handed mode. Now toggle on it. Now you can see two options. Pull screen into reach or show notification option. Also you can use or create a one-handed mode shortcut to quickly access your phone with one hand. Now toggle on it. Tap on got it. Here you can see three sections. How you can access shortcut, quick settings, accessibility button on your phone or volume key. Press and hold both volume key. Here we select the accessibility button. Now you can see the accessibility button at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you can access your Google Pixel 8 with one hand. So quite useful feature. Just tap on accessibility button to access any screen with one-handed mode. To exit the one-handed mode, just tap on the blank space of the top. So it's quite easy to use one-handed mode in a Google Pixel 8a. That's it. Like it, share it.